In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom stamp in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. This is a really handy feature, especially if you need to frequently add personalized touches or official markings to documents. So, whether you're customizing a business logo stamp or simply adding a more unique flair to your files, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process. To begin, you'll first want to open up your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. This is the foundational step before making any modifications, so ensure that you have the document you want to work with ready. Once your document is open, navigate over to the All Tools tab. You'll find this option conveniently located on the left side of your screen. It's like Adobe's toolbox, offering a plethora of features for editing your PDF. From these options, you'll want to select Add a Stamp. This is our gateway to creating and adding custom stamps to your document. Now, with the stamp options open, click on Custom Stamps followed by selecting Create. This option allows us to craft a stamp that's not just a cookie cutter standard, but something tailored to your needs. Clicking Create will prompt you to choose an image. To do this, click Browse, which will open your File Explorer. Navigate to and select the image file you wish to use as the base of your stamp. This could be a logo, a signature, or any personalized design you've saved on your device. After selecting your image, click OK. This action confirms that you've chosen the right file and readies it to be made into a stamp. Next, it's time to decide where this custom stamp will sit in terms of organization. You'll be prompted to choose a category. You could either stick it under an existing category, like Standard Business, or if you prefer, create a new category that better describes your work, ensuring it stays organized for future use. Alongside categorizing it, make sure to give your new stamp a descriptive name. This will make it easy to identify among other stamps, especially if you start creating more of them. Once you've organized and named your stamp, go ahead and click OK to save it. And there you have it, you've successfully created a custom stamp. Now, whenever you return to Acrobat, you can quickly add this stamp to any document, saving you loads of time and adding that extra touch of professionalism or personalization to your PDFs. Don't forget, having your own set of custom stamps can significantly streamline your workflow, so feel free to experiment and create as many as you need. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy stamping.